Employment in firms, factories and offices. In primary sector, agriculture and mining or quarrying are the prominent economic activity. Almost two-thirds of the total workforce earns their livelihood through farming and other allied sectors like forestry, lodging and fishing, which accounts 18% of the GDP. These sectors provide employment to 60% of the country's total population. About 43% of the country's total geographical area is used for agricultural purposes. After independence, additional areas were brought under cultivation and new methods, practices and techniques of irrigation and farming were introduced by the government. Shift to primary to secondary sector. Due to uncertainty in agriculture and the presence of many landless agriculture laborers in the sector, it has been seen that the shift of workforce happens from agriculture to secondary sector, like in manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply, and construction industries. Many of the contractual laborers whom we see in the construction sites in the urban areas, in private and even in governmental projects, most of them are the laborers who left agriculture and came in the cities for alternative employment opportunities. Service sector as the highest GDP earner in India. The services sector is the key driver of India's economic growth. The sector is estimated to contribute around 54% of India's gross value added in 2017 to 18 and employed 28.6% of the total population. India's net services exports during reached $57.60 billion April to December 2017. It includes trades, transports and storages and services like banking, finance, telecom and else. Out of overall services sector, the subsector comprising financial services, real estate and professional services contributed to $305.8 billion or 20.5% to the GDP. The subsector of community, social and personal services contributed $188.2 billion or 12.6% to the GDP.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.